Oh man, that's tired. Great stuff. Good.
Going real good?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's all perfect.
Oh yeah, perfect. Oh yeah?
Oh, whoever challenged me, I'll tell you.
Dad! Danny!
Hey man, give me Weight Watchers.
Full, right? Go slap it.
Chad! Did you get that? I got just a little tiny bit of it.
Did you get any jump on him though?
What's that?
You don't tell me you got that part.
No.
I'm gonna do it again. You gotta record it, okay?
I especially liked how you caught air.
I'll do it again. Later on in the day, I'll do it again. I'll go against you.
Hey, I'll take you and him.
Let me tell you, size is not the thing. You remember Brad Altig?
Yeah?
I went up against him. 3 times I took him down.
Oh, serious?
Size is not the thing.
Oh, man. Kelly said he's gonna go.
Oh, no, Chad, you're coming with me, man. You're wrestling me. Come on. Come on, Chad.
Kill him, Dan!
I bet Chad will win.
No, no!
Come on, Chad.
Dan, you do good.
We got lucky doing that. Yeah.
Josh!
I think there's...
Then they're cool. You get like.
Brendan, I'll go up again.
Oh, okay. Got this fun one. All right.
That was cool. I love this stuff. This is fun.
You guys gonna do it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yay!
Oh yeah.
Okay, roll back your knees.
This will be good.
I'm preparing myself. You know, the first one was just a warm-up one.
Is it?
This, I know what's going on. I'm like, I'm gonna kill that guy. Ooh, ooh.
No, you can't let him win.
No, I bet he will win.
Brennan?
Yeah.
You are the competitor. You're not supposed to be saying the other guy's gonna win.
Right on.
I'm giving him like, just saying it.
You know, like make him feel like he doesn't have to do it real hard.
I'll let him win the first one. That's what I did with Josh, but I messed up because I didn't see Josh coming and
You did it already?
I went with Josh Hagan.
Oh, cool.
Kick him right down.
He kicked my butt.
Okay.
How's it going?
Good. Yeah, I told Sam I'm gonna chill at Sam.
How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah, try to.
What?
Sore?
You go over there and stand by your side. We're gonna roll you. Okay. Alright, keep your hands by your hips and don't move, alright? Right there. Do you what? Cannot touch me. Let me get him stood up or something.
So how do you feel preparing for this?
Well, you see, I had a chance to practice already. I got the feel for the mat there, you know, and you know, I'm just gonna go out there. This is my game plan. I'm gonna go out there.
I will.
Yeah, I got it all.
Are you in touch with your
Well, I'm still fresh, you see. He's already been worked out one time, and he got his butt whooped, so, you know, I'm feeling all fresh. I'm feeling ready. I'm gonna kill him.
Good deal.
I'm Brendan's mother, and I'm very worried at this moment, and I'm full of anxiety because I'm afraid that he's going to be hurt.
It's an emotional time.
But maybe it's really that his inner self will win out, and that it will be in fact a triumph, kind of like Rocky or something like that. Let me work on that.
Prairie,
Yeah?
you have this good friend of yours throwing out on the mat. Don't you feel bad?
I'm a little worried about him too, because he's like going against Tim, and Tim knows what he's doing now. You know, he's had some time to practice. I'm pulling for Tim here. I think Tim's gonna pull it off
Be on
here.
the sideline cheering him on.
Yeah, I'm gonna be cheering Tim on though, not Brendan.
Right on.
Ready? You want your purple. Sumo.
Lazy down.
Okay, keep your hands by your hips. Don't move. You know the routine. Go. Super Mario Brothers. Ready?
Oh, I've been born ready,
Bend your
man.
knees. Turn around.
I got money on you, Tim.
You do? I'm ready.
Okay, how about some females?
No skipmeister.
Going down, Tim.
Alright, back on your knees. Roll your toes underneath your feet. Stand up.
Oh my God!
Jeff, you have to have all these ones out because he's already set to go. Just heavy.
You know the rules. Hands off the head, face and head, this one ring was pushing down the ground with you, alright? When I say break, it means stop. Ready? Alright. Sumo bow. Sumo. Okay, point purple. Your knees hit first. Hold on. Put your knees right on his waist belt. All right, round two. Ready? Sumo. Break. Try to hold you up. Come on, bend your knees. Okay, third and final round. All right, Tim. You won both of them. You gonna win this last one? You gonna win it? Yeah. All right.
We got a feeling.
Do it. Up here. Sumo bow.
See me going like this.
Sumo.
I could get my face.
Grab his skin and throw him out. Not like that. You're letting him have you.
There you go.
Oh!
I went down first again.
Make up the lap you lost.
Go ahead and stay there. Take it all the way up. Okay, lift your head up. Get over there. Okay, keep your hands by your hips and don't move. Is that all the running room you need?
Yeah, that should be good.
You sure you don't want more?
I'm fine.
All right, go. Face plant. All right, bend your knees. Turn around.
Because you had money on me.
That's right.
A little more motivation.
You have money on him?
Of course.
Chad's got a camera.
It was a great show, wasn't it?
What are you talking? Oh, the belly flop? Yeah, I saw it. This is Chad. Hi, Chad. Chad's Brad. We're trying to get.
You have to like give your little monologue to the camera.
This is Carrie.
I can't, but
Carrie's got bad legs.
I got some bad legs.
She can't carry garbage cans in the store properly.
Hey, wait a minute. No.
She was all wobbly yesterday. That's Skippy. Nice job, nice job.
Now he's gonna fight his brother so he can act like where? Look how so.
Wait. What?
You will?
Dad, you're gonna go against him? Just taking my picture, man.
Okay.
Aaron, this looks like on Willy Wonka, the blueberry girl.
That's great.
And I'm like, that's it. That's all I had in me.
It's all the energy and strike that ass.
We're gonna go 2 matches, okay? And then we're gonna go sumo slam. You ready? Yes. Sumo bow?
Where are we on?
Sumo!
Yeah.
You guys got?
I've got another lady who wants to go out.
How do you feel? I was easy on him. I
don't know. I think there may be a blood feud starting up right now. Your family against my family.
You're gonna go against my mom.
Right now.
See, it didn't hurt, Brandon, did it?
No, I was fine.
Just kind of emotionally.
No, not emotionally.
No, don't do that. I'm not good on that. No. Chad, I'm not good on this, okay? No, thank you. I want you to meet my dad. Hi. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I like the hair. I like the beard. Actually,
Like, thanks! Get out of my face! No! 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 Diane! She's beautiful! Praise the Lord, sister! Get out of my face!
Are you camera shy?
Yes, very!
Oh, man.
I look stupid.
Not me! I love that
She's
camera.
beautiful. She's
Look
beautiful.
at the hat. Oh, yeah. Bear with it. Zoom in.
Share with me.
Color coordinated. Styling. Go away, Chad.
Get off me.
Hi, Julia.
Hey!
Doing that.
I'm loading up.
Oh, right. Good deal. Yeah, just
Okay, time off.
yeah. This is for the memory book.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. You're holding one of
Got
these.
some beverages, so.
You want to get married?
All right. Tasty?
Thank you.
Oh, sure. Bye-bye. Look, you're trying to harass me.
Oh my God.
This is, like,
Oh, that's your camera that you got.
yeah. There she is. She's on film. Yeah.
Oh my God.
How do you feel? Oh, man. The camera's presented on that.
I'm kind of uncomfortable a little bit. Kind of nervous because I'm drinking wine here.
Hi, Robin.
Yeah. You know, but
That is intense. You know, you have fun.
Keep going up.
Hey.
there's Paul there. And yeah.
Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's do that.
Oh, don't even do that.
So great.
So you guys just got two for, I thought you were getting one for two. No, me and Sue. That's why I was kind of embarrassed about. Hi, you. Yeah. I don't even want that. I'm gonna go get the camcorder. I'm gonna go get the camcorder and then I'll tell you when I'm gonna go. Oh, really? Where is the sumo wrestling? It's over there. Well, where is it?
What's going on there? That's a nice looking camera. Get myself situated.
320, right?
You're being spoken to.
What? Hi. Nature's Yearbook rules. Is that what you're doing?
Do you have a good time?
A good tie? I don't have a tie on, but I don't have a guitar. No. Do you have a guitar?
I guess you're not that entertaining. Good deal.
It's getting sick of holding it anyways.
Oh, you're so funny. I'm gonna go. It's just hilarious. No. No. Get out of here. Andrea's gonna do it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, hi.
Oh, it is. Oh, good.
Any comments?
Great park. Yes. Thanks.
What about you, Jenna? Are you having a good time?
Having a great time.
Right.
Yeah, I got corn between my teeth, but other than that.
I do too.
Next year we need to bring nature's food up here.
Yeah.
Is that the new Panasonic there, Chad?
What?
Is that the Panasonic you're talking about?
This is my Panasonic.
That is so rocking. That is rocking.
Nature's video yearbook, you see.
Ah.
You got any some comments?
Not really, no.
None?
None.
Sandy, do you have any comments for the video yearbook?
Oh boy. When do we get to do it again?
Okay, good.
What a great camera.
Saturday night.
Oh yeah.
Do you have any comments? Oh,
Here
yes.
I am again. I love the camera. The camera loves me. Yes, darling.
Are you having a good time?
I'm having a wonderful time. This is the best picnic.
All right. And how much have you had to drink?
I have had nothing to drink.
Nothing. Where's Kermit?
Oh my gosh.
This is the Nature's Video Yearbook. I don't know. Do you have any comments? You know, are you having a good time?
Great time, Chad. Camera shy.
A little nervous, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, well, you're captured. That's good.
I'm good.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Robin.
Hello.
Nature's Video Yearbook.
Oh, no.
Comments for us?
Comments about what?
Are you having a good time today?
Great time.
Okay,
Great
good.
time. My husband Robert.
You don't want to ask me.
Friends of ours. Come with us.
Hi.
Matthew and Gary and Tim.
Right.
Yeah, nice park.
Yeah, nice to see you.
Nice seeing you.
See you around.
Have fun.
All a lot of good
Once I give notice and stuff, I've been there 20 years.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing well, and you?
I'm doing very good.
Very good.
Having a good time there?
Having a splendid time.
Oh, very good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Alrighty.
Hi. Hi, how's it going? Are you the cameraman?
Yeah.
Well, you might want to go elsewhere.
Hey, I just want to say, are you having a good time?
So far, so good.
All right, very good.
Ooh, yeah. Well, Rubberneck. That's what I heard somewhere else.
Me and you versus
painted on my face.
Do you?
What do you think? No.
It's nice. It's very nice.
So how's it going?
What are you doing there, pal?
Hey, I got a partner.
Bring a friend?
What?
Did you bring a friend?
Did I bring a friend? I brought my roommate.
I got a partner.
Is this the $25,000 camera there?
35.
35,000? That's an expensive camera. Will it keep me on if I'm like bouncing around, you know?
I can bounce and it just keeps still.
Keep the camera moving because I'm kind of fast.
I got a partner now.
I can't figure this thing out. Do you know how to?
Gary, have you been drinking?
Oh yeah, you were.
I was just trying to mingle, make friends. She didn't want to talk to me. I was like, okay, well, I see you have better things to do. I'll just move on.
Oh, you lemonade.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't.
Whatever, Bettina was.
All right, all three.
It's us three versus you two.
Okay, you pick your team. I'll give you 8 players you can have on your team. We'll beat you. Okay?
8 players.
That's enough.
Okay, you can take 6 then. What are you doing, Green River?
6. 1, 2, 3.
Volleyball tournament.
Are you gonna play volleyball?
Sure.
Okay, that's 4. We need 2 more.
Okay, you can get 6 on your team.
Chad.
4?
Yeah. Come in.
Oh, my necklace. Oh, wait. How you doing? Amy's having so much fun because she just saw me. Yeah.
It's all right.
You look so cute.
Attitude. Do you have an attitude, pal? You don't have an attitude.
Thank you. I don't keep. It's the first time I've done that.
Putting crap in front of the leg.
Everyone, it's it's straight. Well, it's just because it's sun and it bleached out.
Look at Chad's hair.
How you doing? You like it?
Yeah.
Intense?
It's intense.
Chad is like camera boy, serious.
Really going in the can.
Hey, violence is no good here.
What's going on over there?
Totally going in the can. Here, let go. I'm not going to get you in.
Okay, no, you're lying to me.
No, I'm not. It's either that or I drop you right now in your face.
No.
Let go. Lift your foot up. You're not going in. Just sit down and be nice, okay? Just sit down. You're on the can.
Okay, they're ready to go.
All right, sir.
Brian.
Hey, we got to win up for town. Good job, Sue. Just sit down.
When all their players are gone, that's when you serve.
Hey, Stu, we need
Tired him down. Yes.
That was intense. I was there for it all the way, but
All the way. I know. I was trying to get his hat.
you're this close.
That was my goal.
That was rather.
Do you have the volume on?
Tell him about Brian.
The thing is, he sucks. And I was trying to get his hat. That would have been like the trophy.
Yes.
You know?
Our mascot.
Yeah. But
Infiniti's hat.
our team.
Our team rocks.
Our team is great, and Ryan sucks.
How good?
Yeah.
It's the best.
All right.
Yeah. I know.
Good serve.
I'm observant.
But
9-1.
He knows how to serve.
Score is 9-1.
Wait, who's
9-1 is us, of course. Of course we are.
Okay, well,
You
Chad.
don't even need to ask.
Camera.
All right, watch out. Tyler's serving.
Oh yeah.
Hold it.
There we go.
Go, guys.
Come on, you
Oh, there we go, Matt. Get over, Sam.
Oh, watch out.
Oh yeah.
Picture.
She's got the hat. She's got
Nice
Brian's
dude,
hat.
right?
Oh, yeah.
She's got a mascot here.
Dynamic dude.
That's what I'm talking about. You are.
Oh, Tim, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, woo.
Man, if I get the hat.
No business. Tim, you're ready for that. Yeah, he was there.
All right.
Do it again, Tim.
You're the man.
Come on, back to us.
Got it. I was really going for the spike. Matt, you're like coming out of nowhere. I know, I was going for the spike. Let's go see Matt. Sorry, Tyler, I totally messed up your play there.
11-1.
Oh, man, I felt it. Shoot. I was out there. Feeling it the whole way.
That was basically your face type ball.
Yeah, we got supporters. Hey, I know. Right there. I got a guitar. I won't go that far.
Hey, Mike says on the every team.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess. All
Charlie,
right,
thank you
watch out.
for being here. There you go.
Yeah.
I got it. There you go. Oh, he hit it.
You
did.
He's fast, but not that fast.
He touched it. Listen to him.
Tell the camera. They're cheating.
Cheating on us, pal.
Cheating.
Ryan's a cheater.
Scumbag.
He's a lazy cheater.
He's a total scumbag.
Out!
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ready? Oh.
Yo.
Sorry.
Come on.
Sorry.
12-1. Just saying.
Jeez, where were you, Ryan?
Well, Tyler's pissed now because we totally ditched him.
I was talking about Sam.
Get it over! Whatever!
So, remember, it's the Ryan Sucks team!
You're going in the river! You're going in! You're going in!
I can't.
Let go! Let go!
I cannot.
Let go! Let go!
Break it up. Break it up.
Take care
You
of
guys break it up. Come on now. Help me. Andrea, you're on my side. No, I'm not on either one of you guys' side. Break it up. You guys are out of control. Break it up.
inside a
You
dish.
guys break it up. Hey.
Defeat or victory?
Rip.
Oh, no. Come on, Sue. Fight to the finish. Take it.
You are so cool.
Sue, you're our hero. She's our hero. Wonder Woman.
That was good.
Don't even come near me.
How you doing? I'm doing okay, thanks.
This is my new investment.
For.
Oh my God.
Neat.
Yeah, it's good for interviews such as
That was
this.
a really big event.
Okay, let's see.
Chad, you gotta get her with the hat on.
Yeah, the victory hat.
You know what? I'm gonna be you.
Well, I know, pretty much.
I know a lot of people want to be Sue when they grow up.
Pretty much everyone wants to be with me. I mean, look at Ryan right now.
Yeah, he's so low, he has to frame another hat.
He's got the sumo head.
That's what I'm saying.
Wow, that's...
I'm just saying. To get you right.
Uh-oh, here comes Skippy on the wrong side.
Jeez. Okay, that was in stereo. Hey, Debs, how you doing?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm doing excellent.
These are the greatest big-time wrestling matches I've ever seen.
These are so intense and real.
Feeling pretty good right now.
Is it defeat or victory here?
Well, we're looking at a little both here.
Okay.
Yeah, you like that right there?
What's that?
No, real knee there.
Oh.
That's what happens when
Let's get a close up there.
when everyone's against you. Stuff like that happens.
Wow. I don't know.
Well, I just got a couple words to say to Sue Ladd, you know. You stink, all right? Sue stinks.
Well, that's too nice, Ryan. She said you suck. And she said it quite clearly. She
goddamn piece!
She said Ryan sucks.
Oh, man.
I think you're the only one.
I was telling her about your amazing artwork.
Oh,
This woman right here, you guys, she is an amazing artist, and she gets really embarrassed when you say it, but she is incredible. The first time I saw her stuff, I started crying. Brought tears to my eyes. Art, painting, she's incredible.
Yeah, bud? Hi.
We're ready to go.
Okay.
And she's a good friend because I really freaked out on her and she forgave me.
You tape us?
Yeah.
We're like, you know, former colleagues, and we were gonna, you know,
Tell me,
I have to capture it.
What do I do?
Just look in the viewfinder, and
I don't need to push anything?
no, it's already been pushed.
I can't see you guys.
Well, you need to look at us through it.
I can't.
We're over here.
I can't see you guys. All right.
Are you seeing us?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we like in the picture?
Yes.
So this is Karen Damascus. I'm Chad Williams. We used to hang out together a lot. Not as much anymore, but now it's proof on tape.
Right here.
Yeah, okay.
Sometimes we see each other right now. We see each other.
Yeah, we're seeing each other right now. So.
And Chad is Billy Idol revisited.
What wedding? Yeah. All right, thanks. It was good to see you again.
You too.
All right, thank you.
I walked all the way to here from the camp place.
Just ran and ran.
Don't laugh at me.
All right. A second, you just got your hat back? You brought your hat back?
We got my little conspirator here.
All right.
He went over there, innocent little Tyler.
Okay.
Totally took the hat, juked the girls, ran back, and now we're going on a boat ride. Celebrate the
Tyler,
victory.
take it easy. We have to go now? Okay, let me just get a couple of these photos real quick.
Look at those bugs, Chad.
Hey, Bob. How's it going?
Great, how you doing?
Doing good.
Can you see him? Teddy, can you see him?
What's up, bud?
Can you see him?
Can't find you.
I'm right here.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I saw him. Got him on tape.
You can't get me on tape.
I got you right now. Well, you don't.
You're good at those long ones. Oh, the other one sucks. There you go.
Can you see me, Daddy?
Go, Sam.
Oh, no. No? See?
Tina.
Yes.
Are you going now?
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
You guys know
Oh, man. Carrie's hair smells good.
You have smelly hair.
She has smelly hair. Right there. So,
I have to go.
you're going bye-bye?
Yeah.
Bye-bye now? Why?
So, are you... What's going on? What's going on tonight?
Do you have my number? 696-2432.
Well, if I don't remember that, I have... you don't remember that?
Skippies? You got my Skippers?
Yeah, I have his, so...
Don't film me putting my hair
At
in.
all times? Alright, well, I'll see you guys later.
Will you call me tonight? Because
yeah.
we're going to, do something, definitely.
Pretty soon, okay. And you might?
I might.
Okay.
So, what do you think? But I have all week to do something. I want to do something with you guys. So I just got back, so I need to rest a little bit. But I want to do something this whole week.
Okay.
I mean, I have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Wear your glasses, big guy.
Okay, Mark, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Hold on. Bye, Mark. Bye. Bye. See you later. Let's make sure the hair's good. You gotta go too? No, pretty bad.
Are you going to
Thank you. Bye-bye. Justin. I follow you guys everywhere.
Yeah, no.
Hey, Justin, how's it going?
Yeah, it's pretty good, yeah.
Oh, right on. Let me put it up on my
Is this for like nature? I mean,
Yeah, this is like nature video yearbook.
really?
Yeah, what did you think about the day? Was it great?
Well, today, I must say, it was a very nice situation,
Did
but
you do any hiking today?
I went hiking big time.
Really?
I hiked
Did you
all
find some
around.
good trails, or was it like, did they stink, or was it just regular trails?
They stunk. They were
Some
bad.
stinky trails?
Well,
Really?
Fair enough.
Well, fair enough.
All right. Well, take it easy, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, fair enough on the stinky trails.
Hey, perfect. Oh,
Hey, perfect.
display?
Hey, you got a display with that?
Hey, yeah.
Hey, can you get a display on that?
Yeah, I can get a display on that.
Hey, get a display on